Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Habib Bank Limited, which you will need for sending and receiving the international money transfers safely. So first of all, you can just try to get the SWIFT code from the official website of the Habib Bank Limited. If that's not possible for you, you can just simply come here on bank.codes/SWIFT code search. So once you are here, you will have to first of all select the country of your bank, which in our case is Pakistan. After that, you will have to search for the bank, which in our case is the Habib Bank Limited. Then select the city. After selecting the city, it is going to show you the SWIFT code as per the information that you have added over here. Now, when you change the city, it is going to change the SWIFT codes as well. So make sure that you select the right city and the right SWIFT code to make this transaction happen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.